In this presentation, we're going to look at two advanced VPC use cases. The first being isolating internal tiers or customers from each other, and the second being programmatically connecting and disconnecting an internet gateway. First off, let's look at isolating internal tiers or customers. Here we have the internet and a corporate data center on the IP address range of 132.0.0/8, a whole A-class network. Here we specify a VPC with customer 1, where this customer has created 4 subnets, 2 web subnets and 2 database subnets, where they spin assets up in. If you notice, the web assets are on 1.1.0 subnets, while the database subnets are 1.1.1. We wrap our web/app tier in an autoscaling group, and we also have a compute network, where we have 2 subnets, CSN1 and CSN2. Inside of that, we also spin up assets on the 1.1.9 subnet. These assets will be used by the corporate data center to assist with their computing needs, and we launch those in a compute autoscaling group. We also attach an internet gateway, which allows the network to get out to the internet, and we attach a virtual private gateway, which allows access to the corporate data center. We specify one route table, which allows anything from the 1.1.0.0/16 or B-class subnet, including assets over here and here, out to the internet gateway. In route table 2, we specify that anything coming from the compute area 1.1.9/24, this subnet only, goes out the VPG. In the second use case, we look at connecting and disconnecting an internet gateway programmatically. Here we have the same assets as before. We spin up a VPC with internal web subnets 1 and 2 and database subnets 1 and 2, where we spin up assets EC2 for the web and RDS for the database. Here you see that we have the same subnet distinctions, 1.1.0 and 1.1.0 on the second subnet as well. We wrap these in a web app autoscaling group. We connect an internet gateway and a virtual private gateway, same as we did before. And here we specify that anything coming from the route table 1 from 1.1.0/24, locking the first 3 bits, out to where our package repositories are on IP address 123.1.2.3, goes out the internet gateway. We also specify that anything coming from any subnet is allowed access out the corporate data center. Remember, iWeb is an internal application. It only needs web access to get its package updates from IP address 123.1.2.3. It'd be a lot more secure if we disconnected our internet gateway, and then we reconnect it only once a week and only when our package updates kick off. Then after our package updates are complete, we disconnect, limiting our exposure to an internet attack. In this deck, we covered isolating internal tiers and customers from each other and programmatically connecting and disconnecting internet gateway.